Firefighting isn't just a job, it's a calling, a second family, a lifelong bond. Engineer Jason Foster of Firehouse 13 has lived that bond for almost 25 years with Charlotte Fire.
My father was a driver here for the city for about 32 years. I never had a desire to be a firefighter.
At first, Foster thought he'd be a police officer. Then, one ride-along changed everything.
The funny thing was, when I chose the police route initially, I came out of the firehouse one day to see my father, and they had a call over off Jones Street. And they're like, hop on the truck. And I hopped on, and it's like, man, this is adrenaline. It struck a nerve, and I made it my career. And I'm 25 years into it and have no regrets.
It's more than a family tradition, it's a full circle moment. Foster now drives for the very same engine company where his father spent years behind the wheel, carrying that family legacy on every call.
I'm back home now where my dad drove on A shift for, wow, forever. And I'm on C shift, driving the same company.
And Foster literally grew up on these streets, each corner mapped by memory.
It's also fun to go back sometimes in neighborhoods and see your old high school buddies you grew up with. Now I'm over here now providing care to these people that I grew up with.
From boyhood memories to the driver's seat, Engineer Foster keeps that family heritage rolling, serving every corner of the city he calls home.
I think my dad made a name for himself, and it was up to me to make the name for myself. But I always wanted to be the best and do the best and provide the best service to the neighborhoods and the community.
For Engineer Foster, firefighting isn't just tradition. It's honoring his father and carrying that story forward, making it his own with purpose and heart. Ignite your future. Join Charlotte Fire.